Wagwan my YouTube family, welcome back to Briscoe's Kitchen. So today I'm going to share with you how I make my jerk chicken in the oven from scratch. First and foremost, big up Father God, okay? So now I'm going to show you the chicken I'm using for the jerk chicken. So this is the chicken I'm using. It's 4 pieces of leg quarter. I already cleaned them, so now we're gonna go ahead and wash them. So now I use fresh lime to wash the chicken. Like this. Alright my people, so now that the chicken finished to wash, we're gonna leave it, make it drain, and then we're gonna make the jerk season from scratch. Okay? You don't want to miss out on the part here. Alright my people, so now I'm going to make the jerk season for the jerk chicken. Okay? First, we have 1 cup of olive oil. I'm going to add 1 stalk of green scallions, a small bunga of fresh thyme, 1 piece of ginger, add like 15 cubes of garlic, 1 small white onion, around 15 grains of pimento. So I add 2 scotch bonnet pepper, and these are pimento pepper. This is just for flavor. So I had 4 pimento pepper, 1 lime, I'm gonna add about 1 tablespoon of grace browning, and we're gonna blend up this bad boy. Alright my people, this is the jerk season. And remember, this jerk season is not too spicy. You only put two scotch bonnet pepper. The more spicy you want it be, you could add more scotch bonnet pepper to it. Okay? Alright. And remember, we didn't add no sodium in this, no salt in this. We're gonna put the sodium on the chicken, okay? Alright, that is it. Alright my people, now I'm gonna season up the chicken, okay? I'm gonna add a tablespoon of garlic powder, tablespoon of onion powder. Now I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose season. Alright, this is the jerk season that I just made. I'm gonna add like 4 tablespoons of this jerk season. Alright my people, so now I'm going to massage the season in the chicken. When you make jerk chicken, always make sure you get the season underneath the skin inside here, so okay? So you could get the flavor, okay? So we put the season underneath here. As much as season you could get underneath. So you wanna rub your season underneath here, so. Massage your season in the chicken, okay? Whenever you season your chicken like this, you're supposed to leave it for 2 hours before you cook it, or you could leave it overnight. You could season it from the day before. We're gonna cook it in the oven, 400 degrees for 30 minutes. Alright my people, so I use this wing rack whenever I'm making jerk chicken inside the oven, so the heat could circulate, okay? The chicken don't sit down in the juice and be soggy. So you wanna put the chicken like this. So now I'm going to put them in the oven for 30 minutes. Alright, my people, it's 30 minutes since the chicken inside the oven. Now I'm going to take them out. Look how beautiful them here is. Alright, my people, so now I'm going to chop one for you. Just like that. Got this, my people, fully soaked. It's not dry. Fully soaked and it not dry. See? See? So please remember to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I have a lot more recipe to share with you.
Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice. Yeah, the food is nice. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Yeah, Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice.